Most enterprise AI pilots hit the same wall. The model is impressive in a demo. Then it needs to touch a real CRM record, an ERP transaction, or an ITSM ticket, and everything stalls. The model was never the bottleneck. The integration layer was. Model Context Protocol, MCP, is an open standard that gives AI models one universal way to connect to business systems. Think of it as USB-C for AI. Before USB-C, every device needed its own cable. MCP does the same thing for enterprise integrations. One standard protocol, any system, any AI client. This is not just another API wrapper. Traditional APIs are built for developers. Fixed endpoints, strict schemas, a new wrapper for every use case. MCP servers are built for models. They describe what they can do in a way the model understands at runtime. Once Salesforce is exposed through MCP, every future Claude workflow that touches Salesforce uses the same connection. Here is how the architecture works. 4 layers top to bottom. At the top, the client. That is whatever the user interacts with. Claude Desktop, Claude Code in a developer's terminal, or a custom agent in your own product. Below that, the MCP host. This is the gateway layer. It manages connections, enforces permissions, and logs all activity. Next, the MCP servers themselves, one per system. A Salesforce server, a SAP server, a ServiceNow server, a data lake server. Each one exposes a specific set of tools and resources. At the bottom, your existing systems, the CRM, the ERP, the ticket system, the data lake. Nothing gets replaced. MCP sits on top of what you already have. Here is where it gets concrete. A sales leader asks Claude, which deals slipped this quarter, and what does finance think the revenue impact is? Claude pulls from Salesforce, cross-references the forecasting model, and checks the latest call transcripts, all through MCP servers in a single conversation. No human had to stitch those systems together. The agent did it on demand. If you have a Claude prototype that needs to reach into your business systems, BotsCrew's certified Claude developers run focused architecture reviews for enterprise teams. We will help you design the MCP architecture that fits your security and governance posture. Link is in the description. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one.